This is the elevator here at the Vermon Brannan building here in Sacramento. Oh, it's a Dover. Huh.
Expired.
We might have an item.
Jeez.
Ooh, a red phone.
Interesting.
I think we have a motor, so let's be quiet on the wheel. These are older buttons. These look like they were replaced with Adams, because those aren't Dover buttons. Alright, shh.
Those are nice.
Can we say holy shit? We're riding that again, dude. Holy, that was
Dude, the motor sounds like it's like right on it.
I know.
Or like below it.
Only 2 lights on this work, but that was an amazing motor.
It really was. God damn.
This is a nice elevator too.
Okay.
Never mind.
That did not sound good.
It's like someone like dropped a bowling ball.
I think that was like the travel cable swaying back and forth.
Oh yeah, good one.
Alright, here we go again. I'm gonna wait for the door to close too. Oh, this is gonna be epic. Ready?
Set.
What's up here anyway? Hey Jonathan, come on. Let's go. Let's go.
Why there's a camera?
I know, exactly. Don't want to get caught
Do you see how
trespassing.
diagonal the line was?
Yeah.
The fucking wall
Yeah.
is like that.
That is a weird number layout. 1, 2,
What
B,
the
1,
fuck?
2, 3.
Yeah, I didn't even notice that.
That's kind of cool. We should just draw the line.
Connected that. Oh my god, that scares me.
They tried taping the screw. What the?
Alright, let's go.
So that was
Did you send it up?
No, I sent it to basement. You wanna listen to it?